Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. In today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about stocking up on dish soap. Because if you don't have dish soap in your supplies and things go south and then you need to wash your dishes and you run out of dish soap, you're going to be wishing you had some in your supply. Now you can also make your own dish soaps as well, and there are plenty of recipes out there to make them that are organic, if you will, and a lot safer to use than the some of the chemical laden varieties that are out there. Uh, check to see what you are getting. If it has a long list of chemicals you can't pronounce on it, you may want to change up your dish soap also. But try to find stuff that's healthy for you and easy to use, and or just figure out if you can make it yourself.